Alright, welcome back to Hydroponics Haven. We got another video for you. Today we're going to build a grow light for the self-contained hydroponics system, floating raft system we made just a few videos ago. A light stand for it. But before we get into the video, please subscribe to our channel. We're working to build the channel up, and by subscribing really helps out. Hit the like button down below. That really helps a lot. So please like this video, and please comment down below any concerns or anything. If you like the video, just let me know. And I appreciate it very much. So without further ado, let's get into building the light stand. You're going to need two 10-foot cpvc, not PVC, but cpvc piping, 1/2 inch. Okay, make sure it's cpvc. Okay, and you're going to need to, I bought these right here from Amazon. Now I didn't have this on here, but these are a 3-way. It's called a 3-way 16mm PVC fitting, and it works perfectly for the cpvc. I think 10 of them was $13, but you're gonna need 6 of them. So that's what we're gonna need to build this, and a grow light. Now the grow light I have right here, I've got pipes falling everywhere. Grow light that we have here, I've had this for a little bit, but I actually bought this at Walmart. If you go to the light section, lighting section where the bulbs and stuff and the lights are, the little they'll have this. I think it's like either $11 or $13. I can't remember exactly how much it is, but it's really not that expensive. Okay, now the cut list is, we're going to need 2 8-inch pieces. Alright, then we're going to need 4 24-inch pieces, 3 14-inch pieces. Okay, now I'll put this cut list down in the description below to so that you'll know. Now, whatever you use for your, let's set this aside. So whatever you're using for your my floating raft bed, this is, the top of it is 14 and a half by 8 inches wide. The top of it, top is bigger than what the bottom is, just like any other bucket. So that's what I took the measurement for. So whatever your container is, you need to maybe adjust the bottom measurements so that you can have it where you fits around your container. Okay, so let's get into putting this thing together. Alright, get all these pieces of pipe here. Alright, now what you're going to do, you want this to be able, now unless you're not going to take it apart. Now I'm building this so that it can be taken apart, but the only thing you really need to glue is the bottom base. This right here, this is the 8-inch piece, the width. Glue them two together, make sure that they're straight you know, not one cockeyed or anything. Just make sure that there's a setting level. So you glue those two together. That's the only thing you need to glue together if you're going to be able to take this thing apart and store it. Okay? Now, and once you have that taken care of, you're going to need your 14.5 pieces of pipe. Just install them into the bottom. Set these off to the side. Alright. I need a bigger desk. And then we're gonna put these two. Alright. Now there's your bottom base. Alright. Now you have this one. Okay. You have this other 14.5. This is going to be your top. Alright. You're going to push these things in. Okay. Now, when you have that grow light from Walmart, this is the reason why you ought to go buy this one. It has these little clips. Now, I took a drill and a two 1-inch drywall screws and just screwed it right down into, as you can see right there. I don't know if it'll show, but I screwed it right there into the well, all three of them come together. I screwed it in there. It's kind of loose though, just a little bit. Alright. So that that grow light. And now what we're going to do is take this grow light and one side you stick it into the groove, and then the other side make sure you get it about evenly, and then it just clips into that little yeah, it just clips right in. You slide one side in, then you take the other side and just clip it in. Alright, now we got our grow light hooked up, so that'll keep that together. Alright, now we're going to take these two 24th pieces, and it's going to be a little tricky, okay, because they're going to be up under pressure. They're going to be bent. So we're going to slide it in. Alright, there's one. Let's do the other side now. Kind of hard to see what I'm doing, but you'll see what I'm doing here when I get done. Alright. Okay. Now, what you're going to have, let me pull it. Alright, you see what you got there? Alright. Okay. Everything is put together, and there you go. There's your light. Alright. Just take and put this See, this fits right down into the center of it. Make sure all the bottoms are pushed together. And there you go. It's all setting in there. Alright. Now just plug this bad boy in. Just see what it looks like. Alright. There you go. You got a grow light over your little hydroponic system, and something you can use on the inside. I can put 9 plants, and really majority of the little small hydroponic systems like the aeroponics, the click and grow, and a few other ones, they use the bigger ones is about 9 plants. So, and they range anywhere from $100 up to $250 with the grow light. So you have a grow light for about, you see, you looking at the cpvc was $10. The fittings were $14, so that is $24 there. Grow light is, say, $13 for the grow light. You got 24, 20, 35, $39 into a grow light. And you may probably have, if you had to buy the container, and you know, you got a simple little, I didn't buy this. I had this, and everything that I use I found around my house. So I got nothing in the the hydroponic system. But I have $39, say $40 into the stand. Got more videos coming. We got some sponsorships. We're going to be giving away some things. So I'm looking forward to what's going to be happening in the next few videos. Now we're starting on building another style of grow towers. So I'm excited about this, and it's going to be even cheaper than the ones that we built last time. So stay tuned for that, and until next time, God bless you, and thank you for watching.